make a start, here I have the chicken pieces. I'm just going to coat these a little bit of sea salt, and of course I'm going to need some black pepper, and I'm going to do the other side too. Now I've got 2 chicken thighs, and I've got 2 chicken breasts as well. Now, of course, you can use whatever you want. It's completely down to you. You can have skin on or skin off. So that's the salt and pepper. I'm just going to put these to one side, cover them up, keep the flies off, and we'll crack on with some of the rest of the cooking. So with a heavy based frying pan onto the gas, I can go in with some lovely olive oil. There we go, that should do. Followed by some butter, that can go in. Pigeons are noisy today. So we just want to melt this down nice and gently, no rush. Then we go with our chicken pieces. The thighs I'm going to put skin side down so that they can go nice and brown, and the breasts, you put them in either way up. We just brown these off nicely. Now when the chicken is cooked right through, I'm going to remove them from the pan and put them to one side, and I'm going to remove some of the excess oil. Add in about half a cupful of honey. It's a runny honey. And about 2 tablespoonsful of whole grain mustard. Now you can use other mustard if you want. You can use Dijon mustard, would be pretty good, but I wouldn't use English mustard, no, far too hot. I'm going to give this a good stir around, and when it's nicely mixed in, I'm going to add our garlic cloves, which have been finely chopped, and I've got 2 garlic cloves here, which I think would be just about enough for us, for our family. And stir that in, and we're going to let this cook down for a while. And when your garlic is nicely softened, we can return our chicken portions. We can let this sizzle and bubble away, gradually reduce, and get deliciously sticky. Oh look, that's looking good already. Of course, we mustn't forget that we've got to do a little bit of basting from time to time. And wow, doesn't that just look so good? Now I'm thinking this is just about ready for my taste test, and I can't wait. And here it is, served up with a crispy salad and mayonnaise potatoes. And there it is. Wow, that is so delicious. Please try this recipe for yourself, guys. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.